You are watching Khalid Iqbal YouTube channel. We focus on education, training and general awareness. In this video, I am going to compare the IB, that is International Baccalaureate, and Cambridge education system. I will cover salient features of IB, salient features of Cambridge, major difference between IB and A levels, which system is more popular globally, which system is better for university admission, and which is the better for students in Pakistan, UK, USA, and Middle East. First, I will explain salient features of IB, International Baccalaureate. This is holistic education. That means they focus on whole personality development. Number two, it is inquiry-based learning. Students ask questions, undertake research, and their critical thinking ability is developed. Number three, global perspective. It is international mindedness, that is core philosophy fostering a worldview connected to the global community, emphasizing intercultural understanding, global engagement, and multilingualism. Number four is CAS, that is creativity, activity, and service. This is compulsory for the program. Number five is extended essay, 4,000 words research paper. This is in diploma program. Strong emphasis on critical thinking, research skills, community service, and leadership. There is less focus on rote learning, internal and external assessment. Grading scale is from 1 to 7. 7 is the highest grade. There are 4 IB programs: primary years program, middle year program, diploma program. This is famous and very popular. Number 4th is career-related program. Now I will explain about Cambridge program. This is subject-based specialization. Number 2, very structured syllabus. Number 3, exam-focused system. Number 4, strong academic foundation. Number 5, flexible subject combination. Number 6, there are grading system. In IGCSE, that is International General Certificate of Secondary Education, and this grading is A star to G, and A levels A star to E. There are 4 Cambridge programs. Number 1, Cambridge Primary. Number 2, Lower Secondary. Number 3 is IGCSE O-level equivalent. Number 4 is AS and A levels. AS is advanced substitute. So far, I have shared with you salient features of both the programs. Let's now look at the major difference between IB and Cambridge. First, teaching style is very important. IB is inquiry-based and Cambridge is content and exam focused. Number 2, focus of the program. IB focus on holistic development, whereas Cambridge focus on academic specialization. Research. In IB, there is compulsory research essay, whereas in Cambridge it is not. Community service. It is mandatory in IB, and in Cambridge it is not mandatory at all. Number 5. IB is considered more demanding, whereas Cambridge is more exam oriented. Number 6. If we consider university preparation, IB is strong for global universities, whereas Cambridge is useful for UK and Commonwealth countries. Number 8. In IB, there is less opportunity of subject flexibility as compared to Cambridge. If I summarize, I would say IB focuses on developing thinker, researcher, and global leaders, whereas Cambridge focuses on developing academic specialists, exam experts. Now, an important question: which system is more popular in the world? Cambridge is more widespread globally in terms of number of schools and students. However, IB is growing rapidly, especially in USA, Canada, Europe, and Australia. In Pakistan, Cambridge O and A levels is far more common and popular. IB is available in limited elite schools in major cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. Thank you.